wish I could walk with...
We still haven't needed to make a new fusion, so...
Welcome to the Velvet Room.
I will then.
We're still at the
It
same
is a
thing.
special persona you desire.
You
Is
now
it
go all the way
not?
and make orb juice and stuff like that. Want to. In terms of fusion, not really anyone in particular right now that I can say that I need.
We look...
I've been doing pretty well without even needing to make more fusions. I've been just doing well. What? Oh shit, I didn't see. What level was I before the save? Did it say I was level 55? Oh.
Oh, help. Hey!
We got 5 levels from that kill. That's pretty good.
That's... I'm sorry.
I thought so too!
So now if I really wanted to, we can add Ken to the team, even though he's going to be basically just getting blown up. He got it... Well, he has his new super attack, which is pretty good.
Thank you very much.